Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've created a black smoky eye with a pop of pink for you guys. Quite a dramatic, intense look. Using the BPerfect palette, Stacey Marie palette. These are the colours that I used. You can screenshot it if you like. Started off with Plouise base in shade 2 that I've just patted on all over my eyelids to create a base. Then I've gone in with the palette and I've gone in with the colour Makeup, and I've quite blended that out quite a bit. Then I've gone in with Reckless, and I've created like a backwards C. Just to give an outline of a rounded eye look that I wanted. So you just go in and you just kind of pat it on, make it into a C shape, and then blend it out. So that's me blending it out. Get a fluffy brush, it's better. Then I went in with Intuition. It's like a brown shade just to darken it up. Then I went in with a black Badda base, Plouise base to really make the black intense, and I turned the brush upside down, as you saw, just to make sure that I get right up to my lash line. And because I've got hooded eyes and I want to make my eye space look bigger, I've kind of gone higher up. As you can see, I've gone above my crease just to make it look like the illusion that my eyelid is bigger. Then I've gone in with the same brush that I had with Intuition and just darkened it up. And then this is me with Lights Out, and I'm just really intensifying the black. And like again, I've turned the brush upside down just to get it right to my lash line, so that there's no gap between my lashes and obviously my skin. Then I've gone underneath my eye with the black just to blend it out. I've gone in with Pep Talk, just to give it a bit of a lighter shade in the inner corner of my eye. I've gone in with a Maybelline pencil. It's actually a lip liner, but I use it in my waterline. Then I've got a thin brush, some glitter and glitter glue, obviously, just to brighten up my inner corner. So I put a tiny amount on my hand, as you can see, and then with that thin brush I just kind of spread it where I need the glitter glue to be. Try not to put too much on, because otherwise it can feel quite sticky on your eyes. And then I've just put on the glitter, just to give it that pop really, and just to make the inner corner sparkle, which I like. Bit of a glitter queen. And then I've just gone in with a bit more black to make sure that it's blended in nicely. I've got in with my NYX Epic Ink liner in black, and as you can see, I'm just doing tiny little strokes to get that eyeliner perfect. I've gone in with Bourjois eye-catching mascara, some lashes. My skin, I've gone in with a colour corrector, LA Pro Girl Orange colour corrector for all my dark circles, pigmentation. Then I've gone in with Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick in 123 = Y365, and then after I've put that in, I've blended it out with a brush, just because I sometimes prefer brushes, sometimes I prefer beauty blenders, but initially I like to put a brush on first and then go on with a beauty blender later. As you can see, I'm using the Maybelline concealer in shade Sand, just to highlight all my areas that I want to highlight, but I've done it with concealer just to lighten it up. This is a good trick whenever you've got your foundation a little bit too dark. If you go in with a lighter concealer all over, it just kind of makes your foundation look good. Then I've gone in with a beauty blender to blend it out, just to get that seamless look really. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit of concealer onto my brush to make sure that, because I feel like that pink's gone out a little bit, so just to tidy it up, because obviously I don't want it to be too blown out. Gone in with Revolution powder in light yellow. Can't speak. And I've just put it all over where I'd have a highlighter. I find with this you do need to dust it off quite quickly, because I feel like it clings onto your skin a bit, but it's nice, it brightens it. Then I've gone in with Brontour Morphe and pinched NYX blusher, and as you can see, I'm just blending it out. I like to start off with a little amount on my skin first, like just to build it up, as opposed to if you put a big lump of pink or bronzer in, then it's too dark and then it takes ages to blend it out. So yeah, if you start with little bits. And then I've used the eyeshadow Pink Me as my highlighter, because it's got a really nice iridescent kind of pinky glow, which I thought was perfect to go with this look. Gone in with Morphe eyebrow pencil, and as you can see, I'm just lining the eyebrow shape that I want. These pencils are quite good because you can obviously do a shape and it's not too dark. The only thing is obviously you spend longer time to try and build it up. And I like to just do little strokes for my hair, because I've got quite sparse hairs in the front of my eyebrow. To be honest, I need to use like castor oil or something to make my eyebrows grow, because they're quite thin and non-existent. Then I've got a Maybelline concealer just to tidy the eyebrows up, just to give it the definition, define it, make it look crisp really. After I put a bit of that on, then I blend it out with that same brush, and sometimes I'll just go over it a little bit with my finger just to make sure that you can't see the concealer. And then I've gone in with a translucent brow gel just to make sure that those little hairs that kind of move around stay in place. I definitely recommend it if you're going to a hot place or anything like that, or if you kind of get like an itchy eyebrow and you don't want to move it. Then with a clean brush I've kind of blended out the edges of my eyeshadow, because I've done that concealer under my eyebrow. I don't like it when it's too obvious. Gone in with Maybelline lip liner just to line my lips. I've got quite small lips, so I do kind of outline them a bit bigger as you'll see, just to give it that illusion that your lips are bigger. And I personally like to put lip liner all over my lips because I feel like my lipstick stays on a lot longer throughout the day when I do that. I've gone in with Pink Me, just the eyeshadow, just to put it on my lips to make it have that iridescent frosty lip look, and also it makes your lips look a lot bigger. That's the finished look. Hope you like it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Glam Tutorials. This is a black smoky eye with a pop of pink. I thought I'd do something a bit different. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. So as you can see, it is quite a dramatic look, but I personally really like it. I feel like it's something that not many people would wear probably, unless you're a bit daring, but I think it looks really pretty and you can wear it with really anything. But yeah, I hope you like it.